Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Honorable Prime Minister, respected Minister for Commerce, worthy federal and provincial ministers, secretaries, distinguished guests, and our esteemed foreign delegates. It is with great pleasure and honor that I, Shehbaz Khan, stand before you today as the Master of Ceremony for the 4th International Textile and Leather Exhibition Expo being held in Karachi. On behalf of the Ministry of Commerce and Trade Development Authority of Pakistan, I extend a very warm welcome to each and every one of you. I would like to express my deepest admiration and gratitude to all the exhibitors and foreign delegates who have traveled from far and wide to be the part of Expo 2023. Your presence adds immense value to this exhibition. We eagerly anticipate the meaningful dialogue that would materialize between our exhibitors and our foreign delegates. In order to officially start the proceedings, I would like to invite Qari Akbar for the recitation of a few verses from the Holy Quran.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ولا تقربوا مال اليتيم إلا بالتي هي أحسن حتى يبلغ أشده وأوفوا بالعهد إن العهد كان مسؤولا وأوفوا الكيل إذا كلتم وزنوا بالقسطاس المستقيم ذلك خير وأحسن تأويلا صدق الله العظيم.
Translation of the verses from the Holy Quran is as follows. And do not come near the property of an orphan except to improve it until he attains the age of full strength, and fulfill every engagement, for every engagement will be inquired into on the day of reckoning. And give full measure when you measure, and weigh with an even balance. That is the best way and best in result. I would now request the Chief Executive of Trade Development Authority of Pakistan, Mr. Zubair Motiwala, to please come to the stage and deliver his welcome remarks.